What's up, ladies and gentlemen weapons? This is a little video for all my Harry Potter fan boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen weapons. I just wanted to show you something that Tara actually bought me for Father's Day, an early Father's Day present, and it's a couple of books with Hermione. It's a couple of books with some figures, some statues. Hermione Granger, Ron Weasley. Let's see. Oh, there's a Dumbledore, Albus Dumbledore, that I didn't see in GameStop, but I think these are GameStop exclusives. And then we've got Harry Potter himself. I believe these are GameStop exclusive things. I'm not sure, but it's we got them at like $10 a piece. They were at the local GameStop, like I said, on clearance. They were actually $9 a piece, and then I had a $5 off for the Hermione one. But I got the main characters, Harry, Hermione, Ronald, and Voldemort. I did not get Dumbledore because I didn't see Dumbledore. But if I would have seen Dumbledore, I probably would have wanted to get him as well. Let's see. I know most people would say, don't take it out of the box, don't take it out of the box, it's collectible, but I'm planning on keeping these. If I don't, I'm going to keep the box in good shape, and go from there. But I'll show you here in just a second all the little figures all lined up together. I'm taking pictures and I'm probably posting on the Instagram. If you have an Instagram, go follow me at it's Instagram Thesilentweapon, all one word, Thesilentweapon. I post some pictures on there as well, and then my Facebook is facebook.com/Thesilentweapon, I believe, and I'll leave links to my Instagram and stuff in the description below. But anyways, we've got to the last one, which is Voldemort, the last Furious one. It was the actual first one that I saw, and I was like, oh, I want that. And then I saw the others, and I was like, oh, well, if I get one, I gotta have the rest. So I'm a big nerd. I love Harry Potter. My favorite is Lord of the Rings. I really am a big fan of Harry Potter as well, though. So I was like, that's something I want to get for Father's Day. And I actually found there was a lady on Facebook that had a bunch of Star Wars stuff posted, and I was like, Tara, will you get this? And this was about the same price as that. So it was like probably like a 3-foot figurine of Darth Vader. I like Star Wars as well. I'm a big Star Wars fan. But yeah, I mean, I've always been into collectibles. I'll show you here. I'll show you in just a second my collectibles that I have already, and then I'll show you these as well. And I'm gonna try to figure out how to put them on well, I gotta take the tape off. I'm gonna get like a bookshelf or something whenever we buy a house. Hopefully we buy a house soon. Put some prayers up in the sky for me, for me and Tara, and trying to get a house, because we're trying to get our credit scores up and everything else, and get the money together and all the stuff like that. So I'll just pray for us, y'all, and go from there. This is Voldemort. He's really cool. I like him a lot. Will you focus? There we go. That's Voldemort. Alright. And then let me get these boxes put back together. I'll give you a quick little update on what Francis looks like as well. And let's see, I'll show you these guys first. So here's Hermione Granger, or no, that's Ronald right here. That's Ronald. And these are really good paint jobs for being as little as they are. That's Hermione. And Harry is right here. And this is Voldemort. Okay, so on that note, here is, well, Francis is out. He is in his rock right now, so he's not wanting to say hi or anything, but he's doing good. He had a shedding time, and then let's see if I can turn the flash on. I don't know how to turn the flash on, so I did have a light down here, but I've got in the back, I have Pennywise, Doom Thanos, and Simba. And then I've got Kylo Ren for Star Wars. Tara got me this for our 1st year anniversary. And they lived happily ever after, Mickey and Minnie. A little amiibo back here. I don't know if y'all can't see that. Stormtrooper, Reinhardt. Here's a dragon that lights up. I love dragons too, by the way. Macy got me this, and well, long story short, it's been bought for me twice. The first one got broken, but it was Macy's. Well, Macy bought it for me, and then Tara bought me this one. And then I've got this little dragon and a little skull with a snow globe, and then my Magic Quest wand and a double blade back there. And then 2 little dragons that we got from the Dolphin at Myrtle Beach. So that is what has been happening today. Don't really have much of an update on what's going on. We're not going to Universal like we thought we were. I was going to make like a cinematic footage of that. We're not going to Universal. Work won't let us go because of all the COVID-19 stuff going on right now. I'll try to post something. We may go on a hike or something sometime. I'll try to post a hike or a waterfall or something if we can go at some point in time. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Please stay safe. If you're not 6 feet apart, just stay safe. Stay healthy, stay well, and keep your prayers lifted. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.